Good afternoon, friends. My Namaskar. Myself, Professor Sunita Mishra, Dean School for Home Science in Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University. And today I am going to talk you about what is ORAC and why it is so important. Because as you all know, good nutrition is always very essential for any type of good nutrition is always good whether some pandemic is going on or like regular also. It is very nice to have real oral value and what are the ORAC and good nutrition. And this good nutrition is mostly we can take through different types of food and vegetable that prevent our immune system from falling. And that good nutrition is very important before, during, after and any type of infection. And as you all know that this pandemic COVID-19 is going on, and for maintaining this COVID-19, because it will stay for another 6 to 7 months, so always it is very judicious to take good food and enrich food. Not only it will we can overcome through this infection, and also to maintaining a healthy diet, it is very important, and how strong we can build our immune system. And that food to help to boost our immunity is garlic, basil leaves, that is cumin seed, tomato, mushroom, probiotic, prebiotic food, and probiotic like yogurt, Yakult, and some food that rejuvenate our body and also our gut bacteria, which is very important for nutrient absorption by the body. And this supplement include ginger, turmeric, gooseberry, and also certain types of detox food also. And ways to prevent good nutrition is how we should take this what is ORAC food. And before discussing, ORAC stand for oxygen radical absorbance capacity. It is the measurement of antioxidant level in fruits and vegetables supplement. And also it is very desirable to have this measuring ORAC allow us to compare the capacity of individual fruit, vegetables and other antioxidant rich food. And ORAC values are found primarily in the different types of skins of this food. ऊपर का जो है skin से it is mostly found. ORAC stands for oxygen radical absorbance capacity, and it is correlated to antioxidant and their overall capacity in the human body to prevent and eliminate the dangerous effect of free radical from attacking our healthy cells. So we should take this ORAC vegetables and fruits, so that when for maintaining a good health and enhancing the recovery of any type of recovery of cells, we should take this ORAC food. And with this, as you all know, there is certain PAH, that is polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and also it is mostly it found in the body when food is cooked. And same time sufficient oxygen is needed to provide complete combustions of carbon dioxide. So we should have this PAH and HAA, and this group are mostly carcinogen. These are the toxic substances. So to avoid this, we should have diet good in that is ORAC value, antioxidant value, because food toxin is also, it is not only a toxin of food, it also having different types of bioamines, mycotoxin, pollutants, and different natural toxin also, which are found inside the body. And these toxins also cause different types of diseases, and all with fungal infections to our body. Also different type of food toxin from industrial waste, also having chlorinated hydrocarbon, polychlorinated biphenyls, heavy metals like lead, mercury, and cadmium. We should remove this toxin by taking ORAC values of some common foods having good ORAC value. One of the highest source of ORAC food is cloves. Cloves having, and certain foods are also having peppermint, oregano, organic fresh and meats, nuts and walnuts, and different types of beans, lentil, raspberries, strawberries, having all very good amount of ORAC. And one of the best top 10 ORAC food is per 100 gram is ours, that is, you can know, that is cloves long. It is around 31 lakhs 4,446 ORAC. Sumac also having very good sumac brand. Sumac is a it is a fruit, it is just like seeds, looks like it is a plant origin seeds, and mostly it is available in North America. So it is also highest, having this highest amount of ORAC. Cocoa powder also having ORAC. Spices like turmeric and with different types of oregano, all these having good amount of ORAC. And this is the, through this ORAC value we can measure the antioxidant level. And if we take this antioxidant ORAC, so it is always having we having a very good diet, so that we should not take those food. Why we will take this antioxidant food and not others food? Because how many antioxidant do you need in a is very important, in a day is very important, because antioxidants free radicals are mostly those, and it eliminates radicals in our body. And having a diet full of antioxidant is the most direct and effective way to combat free radical accumulation in our body. And for adult man require about 11,000 antioxidant per day, and adult women require about 8,000 of antioxidant per day. And mostly it is in green vegetables like spinach, and those with methi and different types of collard, spinach, cabbage, we having this antioxidant. Some cruciferous vegetable is having good amount of antioxidant and phytonutrients which reduce the cancer cell, that is broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprout, turnip. Fruits like we should take sweet potato, carrot, mangoes and apricot. Red pigmented fruit also we should take, that is also helps to fight high heart disease and other types of cancer also. So when we should know about this, now it is what is the different types of red pigment fruit we should take. And this red pigmented food is blueberries, purple grapes, red cabbage, and also the pigmented fruit is tomatoes, watermelon, papaya, and also pink grape. These are the fruits. Then come what is the measurement of this antioxidant, that is through exercise and nutrition also plays an important role. So always while doing taking any type of antioxidant, we should know about the different types of what it plays. Always place a head for what you are going to eat, and also work on flexibility. Having a good green tea, dark chocolate, white tea, and also red wine, all are very good in antioxidant activity. So now we should limit the taking of highly processed food, and those consuming meat, poultry and eggs is also risky. So we should go for a vegan diet. Avoid too much of fat, salt and sugar, and keep your body hydrated without having rehydrated. Hydrated, we keep our body hydrated with adequate amount of water, intake of good immune response to any infection. So while we are dealing with this devious disease like COVID, we should take limited amount, have a firm stand. That is, prevention is always better than cure. Make sure that hygiene practices are in place. Eat and stay healthy. Avoid crowded place and close contact also with interaction. Many countries around the world have already enforced movement restriction. So including working from home is the best option. So take no chances, stay safe, stay healthy. So my good wishes to you. Bye bye. Thank you.